right, here we are, 320 Summerhill Road here in Madison, Connecticut. What a beautiful street this is here in Madison. This home, new to the market, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. We've got a 1976 contemporary here for you. This home is situated on a beautiful 1.1 acres. There's 2,536 square feet. We'll take you through this home, hopefully in about 8 minutes. We've got a little stone wall here. The property does go back further. Maintenance-free vinyl siding, beautiful sun porch right there. But let's get you through this house in no time. Close to the Hammonasset State Park. I see a lot of people bike riding and walking along this street. Let's see what this home has to offer. The first thing that you'll notice when you walk into the home is the vaulted ceiling. This home has amazing feel to it and sense of space. We're going to go through it in a clockwise fashion. This is our formal living room right here. Again, another vaulted ceiling right here. Western exposure on the front of the house. How's that for nice feel to it? As you get back into the back left corner of the home, we have a sunken family room right here. Brick wall for the masonry fireplace. 3 seasons room. Breakfast and kitchen. A great sight lines through. My 3 seasons room. Again, a cathedral ceiling here. This is definitely a nice space, and I do like the fact that it is facing east, so you get the morning sun, although there's a lot of trees, but you're not getting baked out of this space as you would on the other side of the street. This is a little reach-in pantry right here. 1 step back up from the sunken family room, we're into the breakfast. We've got Corian countertops. I like the little drop zone right here. Contemporary feel to the cabinets. Hardwood flooring. Carpet. So this is hardwood that we just transitioned into. Right here we've got the microwave and oven. Here's my mud entry, the mud entry hall. Good sized coat closet. We've got the laundry right here. This door goes out to the backyard. Got a convenient half bathroom right here. 2-car garage is actually oversized. Big enough so that you can have a work area and storage for your equipment. Slop sink right there. Formal dining right here. These are 8-foot high ceilings. That door right there, we'll do that last. That's something special. So stick around for the lower level. My primary suite is front to back on the left-hand side of the home. Great view right here out the front of the home. Got some built-ins, wardrobe closet right there. Again, a vaulted ceiling. Fireplace right here. This is a gas fireplace. Insert. We've got the hall right here, which is got a reach-in closet. This door can be closed. Primary bath right here, dual sinks. 4-foot shower. So that gets you through the primary suite. You've got 3 more bedrooms to show you. Center rear right here on this side is bedroom number 2. Desk area here. Any of the furniture that's in this house. Reach-in closet right there. could be available. If you like the way that you've got the desk areas, just let me know. World map. Reach-in closet for bedroom 4. Last but not least, bath 2. Good size linen right here. Tub shower. Double sink. But stick with me. We've got something special, and that is this finished lower level and the utility area. We've got mostly a full basement. There is a crawl space area, and I'll explain that. But how's this right here? This is a cool spot. I love the vertical paneling. Love this bar area. Such a comfortable space. A little bit of storage even right underneath here. This triangular door right there underneath the stairs. My mechanicals are all right here. Remember on the outside the bulkhead? Well, there's the bulkhead. And we're capped right here. Guaranteed when the builder was building, they probably hit a large boulder and capped over it instead of doing rock removal. My equipment HVAC system. We are oil-fired system. It is still fully operational, well-maintained equipment, but I would budget for replacement at some point. Hot water heater. We are about 13 years old right here on this electric hot water heater. Again, we should budget for replacement right there. Constant pressure pump. Grumpus. Quality equipment right there. 200 amp service, modern breakers, and this is another spot where we've got a crawl space. My oil tank is right there. So that gives you everything that 320 Summerhill Road here in Madison has to offer. Great value. Perfect home for you to bring your HGTV inspired ideas and make it your own. Schedule your showing today. Thank you.